Okay, YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to sharpen a pencil with a razor blade. Be careful when you're doing this because you can cut yourself. If you do it correctly, it should look like this. Okay, let's get started. Just adjust the camera real quick. Okay, first thing you're going to do is just get into it like this.
The batteries are dying.
Like that. Just get nice big chunks out of there. Like so. Then you just fine tune it. And there you go. That's sharpen a pencil with a razor blade. Now you can, if you want, you can bring it back a little bit, make it look a little better. Like so. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Again, this was sharpening a pencil with a razor blade.